Welcome back, YouTube family. This is SUBZERU Vlogs. This is another beautiful day out here in California. We have a very special video for you Subaru WRX or STI owners, especially the interior mod that all of you are really going to want to get for your Subaru WRX or your STI. This is by far the most underrated or unappreciated mod that anyone can do for any car. It does not have to be a Subaru. It can be any car, any sports car, any sedan, any vehicle. This is something that you're going to want to get for your cars. If you're new to the channel, my car currently is a Subaru WRX, a 2015. I have a bunch of work done to it, but this mod is something that I personally neglected, and because of this video and because of the product, I really want to show everyone that you guys should neglect this as well. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button, and I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them a reality. Let's have an amazing day. Everyone have a blessed day. Let's get it. Woo, really quick though, before we get into the video, just check out the lighting though. Like, the lighting right now, the way it's hitting my car is absolutely just fantastic. Like, this really just brings out the contrast of colors in my wrap, my wheels, and just, oh my goodness, like, look at this. Hold up, hold up. Alright y'all, so the mod that y'all are gonna want to get done for your cars is gonna be this right here. What you're gonna want to do is get some really clean, awesome new floor mats for your cars. Now please hear me good, don't change out the video. Let me explain why this is super important. You go in your cars all the time, and I don't know if any of you have issues I have, but the floor mats that come in the Subarus and most cars that I have owned in my life up to date have just been trash as far as floor matting goes. So first I'm gonna go ahead and show you inside my car, give you an idea. Now normally floor mats, they just cover a portion of the ground. They don't cover the whole thing. I'm gonna have to vacuum this out first, but usually a floor mat is kind of like, you know, a big rectangle that doesn't really cover anything. So you get a lot of dirt, you get a lot of debris inside of your vehicle. But with these floor mats and with upgrade floor mats that fit perfectly to your cars, what you're gonna be able to do is come here, you're gonna be able to add it in, and it's gonna fit perfect. So if you drop food, if drinks fell, even in the back seat, if something falls, if food falls, it's gonna get stuck in the floor mat and not get stuck underneath the car. So cleaning it is gonna make it way easier, and overall it's gonna make sure that your interior stays way more clean. So floor mats I went with are the WeatherTechs. The WeatherTechs are absolutely fantastic. I've seen a lot of reviews on these floor mats. These WeatherTechs hug the insides of your cars, but again, these are not just Subarus. WeatherTechs, you can get WeatherTechs for any vehicle. It doesn't have to be WeatherTechs. You can find any type of interior floor matting to put inside your vehicle. They all can fit to your desired car. So whether you have Subarus, whether you have something else, it does not have to be those. And as you see with the material, they have it very tight here. So when I put it inside the vehicle, it's gonna be tight with these plugs right here. So it's not, you know, other floor mats, they be shifting a lot. This, as you'll see when I plug it in, it won't move. It's gonna be just in one spot, and it's gonna be absolutely fantastic. So this will kind of show you a little bit more of how they are before I put them in. As you can see, they hug the insides. They even go right to the gas cap and hug that as well. So let's go ahead and install these floor mats inside of my vehicle. Then from there, I'm going to vacuum it first. I'm going to install it, and I'm going to give you guys my impressions, driving impressions, and overall my thoughts. Again, I've been, you know, kind of interested in getting floor mats when I've seen, you know, others that get them and see how much cleaner their car stays and just sees how much nicer the interior even looks from these. It really made me jump on this opportunity. So I'm going to go ahead and install these so I can show you all and underrated it is to get this done for your cars. All right, so next one I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and vacuum and wipe this down really quick. That way when I install the WeatherTech floor mats throughout the car, it's going to be that much cleaner. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so let's go ahead and install this first piece. I got everything cleaned out. So it's going to be pretty simple. You're going to come here. I'm going to try and do it. I'm going to bring this all the way down. I'm going to match up the holes right here. Perfect. And then all you're going to do is come here, kind of push this stuff in. Alright, then once you get this holes in, all you're going to do is kind of come in here, kind of push it in so it fits. But yeah, look at that. Look at that fitment. That fitment is absolutely insane. That's it. That's in there. But yeah, that's gonna be the front. And overall, man, this is great. I like it. It doesn't slide. It doesn't move. You can come here, move your feet, and you see it stays. The WeatherTech, I really like that it doesn't cover this up. I know you can get dirt in here, but honestly you can just go and clean that up. But I really like how just smooth this is, and the fact that this is red just matches everything on my interior. Even got red sandals, so that's a plus with the gloss. So I got the glossy here, but so far it fits really good. All right, I installed the passenger side, and as you can see again, like these WeatherTechs fit absolutely perfect. I'm gonna try and get better lighting so you guys can see, but there is no gaps anywhere. It fits very snug, very smooth. And again, I love the fact that that red just happens to match everything perfectly. The WeatherTechs look really good, but again, everything fits in here just excellent. So when you're in here, in case you're eating or in case someone else is eating, or they put, you know, their feet in here, you're not going to worry about the dirt coming in from here or falling down from here. It's going to be able to get all the dirt inside of this, and that way you're going to be able to clean the car that much easier. So this is what the passenger side looks like. This is what the driver's side looks like. I actually personally like the styling. I think it looks great in here. I think it just looks fantastic and makes the car just that much better. All right, lastly, let's get the back sides in. It's gonna be very simple. Just gonna come here, just lay it down. Just lay down the first side, second side. Just kind of get it in, and again, fits perfectly. Like that's close. Like that's pretty nitpicky, but that is pretty dang close. All you gotta do is just kind of use your hand to kind of push these in a little bit so they fit. If you have something to heat these up, you can use that as well. But these fit perfect. Shout out to WeatherTech in the floor mats. Down there is actually just a glare. That's not even the floor mat, that's just the glare part of the sun. But shout out to them. Shout out to these WeatherTechs. And this just, oh my gosh, like, look how good these look. Look at how good these look. The interior is really starting to get clean. Like I said, you can make your interior look really clean, really good. Just get nice, easygoing mods. Again, I got my new seats coming in, Brahms coming in, so it's gonna really, when the Brahms get inside, it's gonna really just be that dope. The Brahms are that Komodo skin layout, so it's gonna really be clean. But man, look at this, woo! And I like it even better now because you got the carbon fiber in the middle, but you got like the gloss reds on the sides. So it really brings out that carbon in the middle part. You got the carbon in the steering wheel. So I kind of like how this is actually starting to look now. Look even better, even that gloss right there in the middle. So overall, very satisfied. These might not be the sexiest mod that you're kind of looking for, but I think these are the best mods you can do in order to keep your car that much cleaner and looking that much more fresh. And overall, it's just gonna make just everything really come out that much better. I'm gonna do a little driving, just so you guys can see how I feel about them when I'm actually driving. If I feel any, you know, bumpages with the pedals, or if I feel this is actually start sliding a little bit when I'm driving. All right, y'all, so I'm back in the car. I got the floor mats in here. I'm gonna give you my first impressions as to how I like the floor mats. So far, it feels absolutely fantastic. Feels crisp. I love the fact that there's no sliding. The floor mats don't slide, they don't move, they don't shake. They're very in place, and there's no blockages to the pedals. I feel nothing that is bumping. There's nothing that's rubbing. Even my feet, when they're on, the pedals are on the floor, it just doesn't feel like it's slippery, or it doesn't feel like they're sliding. It just feels like it's stable, it's smooth, and it's in place. It feels really, really good in place. But yeah, overall, very easy to install. Probably the easiest thing you're gonna be installing in a vehicle. And I absolutely love the way just the seated position is, the way these fit, and the way these feel in the car. Even looking at them, it just makes the interior look like it's just kind of higher quality almost in here. It doesn't seem like just rubber, or it doesn't seem like just rug. In here now, it really feels like there's designs. It feels like there's professionalism, and it feels very not cheap. It doesn't feel cheap in here. These are the WeatherTech floor mats. Go on their website, go to weathertech.com. You can go ahead and you know, put in your model year, your car, all those specifics, and you can go ahead and get yourself some as well. They're not sponsoring me for this video, but I just really like the way these fit, and I really like the quality. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you guys like the video. In the comments below, let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me moving forward, and what I can do to make better videos for everybody. Everyone stay blessed, stay safe, and always go after your dreams and make them a reality. Peace, guys. Have a great day.